Atlas Obscura Travel Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think travel guides only cover popular spots, but Atlas Obscura uncovers the hidden, unusual, and fascinating corners of the world. Atlas Obscura is both a website and a travel community that highlights offbeat destinations, unusual museums, and quirky attractions. One standout feature is its detailed articles and maps, helping travelers discover experiences they won't find in traditional guides. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just for tourists. The surprising truth is Atlas Obscura also connects locals, historians, and explorers, offering insider tips and unique perspectives on places you might otherwise overlook. Another advantage is community-driven content. Users can submit discoveries, share experiences, and even organize trips with like-minded adventurers. It's perfect for travelers looking for curiosity-driven journeys rather than typical tourist itineraries. However, there are considerations. Some destinations require careful planning or specialized travel arrangements. Not every offbeat location is easy to reach, so research and flexibility are essential. In conclusion, Atlas Obscura is a must-have resource for adventurous travelers seeking the unusual and extraordinary. Its focus on discovery, storytelling, and community sets it apart from conventional travel guides. Subscribe for more honest travel app and guide reviews before planning your next adventure.